This is just a really quick recording to just make sure that you all know how to add files to your class pages and etc. So first of all, if you just go to classes and click into your class page, this is my year 10s one. Click the little make changes button at the top here on the top right. Under resources is files. So it'll start at information, but we want resources and files, and we're going to add a file. Now, you need to be able to connect that file to your folder under resources. So how do you do that, you may ask? So go to the settings here, and you don't want it to be local, because local will be anything that you put in there. It's always going to be that same folder and it's not going to change. So go all the way to home, and then to departments, college curriculum, and then maths. We want it to be the student vault because students need to get into it. Staff vault is for your own resources that you can put in there, and we're going to go to individual staff folders. Now I'm KAS, so I'm just going to go there, and I'm going to go to my year 10 folder, and I can add in any of these that I want to. So we are doing, say we're doing geometry, which is what we're starting with. I can click in there and go use this folder, and then anything that's in my geometry folder will come up in that folder. So that's how you do that. As you can see, I've just got a whole lot of stuff in there, so everything that is in there is going to come up. Obviously I should have changed my file name, so I can just change that over here. If yours doesn't work, just let me know, because I know Karina's wasn't working, so it should do that. If you don't have a folder, let me know. Liz, I made you one. I've just made one just to see, so if you could just test it for me and see if it actually works, that'd be great. And then update, and then you can drag that around to wherever you want. I normally like my files on the right hand side so that it's just out of the way and all my news and due work is there. Obviously I haven't put my links on this, but if you look on my year 8 page, I have already put some tiles there already. And I better get to my meeting. Hope that helped.